What do you say about that? We just won another Copart car. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm your guy, Easy E. Hey, y'all seen that from that thumbnail? I done drug the Pontiac Torrent to the house. So if y'all new to the channel, go watch that video with me and little Cuzzo going down to my full-time job and walking y'all around a lot of my cars that I got up there that I don't be having no time to fix and work on because I work a full-time job. And if you're new to this channel, y'all see I'm all over the place because people dropping off cars, trying to get some of these Copart builds done, especially that burn traverse. But somebody always wants something done, so we're gonna try to knock some of this stuff out because somebody is interested in buying this car, but gotta fix it first. So let's go take a look around the 2008 Copart Pontiac Torrent that I bought. Don't know when, but let's go take a look. Oh, so I had to look it up real quick. I won this car October the 4th of 2023 for we're gonna say the out the door price of $1,144.10. That's with all the fees and everything. So I thought she'd been sitting for a year, but be almost a year in 2 more months, or whenever this video come out, probably be a year. So let's go take a looky look. Here's our 2008 Pontiac Torrent. I just like these platforms, the Torrent, the Equinox. And y'all can see that damage. We got some front end damage. Look like they hit a deer on the passenger side. We're gonna need a headlight, front bumper, hood, fender, and some brackets. I'm gonna need to knock some of this metal out and rust proof some of this metal. But good for me. Like I said before, I live right down the street from Pick and Pull, so we already got some parts. Like I said, I had this car since October last year, so I've been picking parts for it. But I need it. Got a front bumper, got a hood, got a fender, and a headlight. Now it's time to go find the other part, rest of the other parts. I got the paint. Yeah, I picked up the paint. Yeah, we're gonna have to do a lot of work here. The AC condenser is good. The radiator is good. We let it run. Ain't no battery in it right now. So after they had the accident, they took the battery. Must have had a brand new battery, but they got brand new tires on this car. So this car like was well taken care of. We have some hand cooks. That's hand cook right there. Another hand cook right there. Y'all can see that tread. Look at that. Look at the front. Look at that. Get in y'all closer. Another hand cook. Look at that tread. Look at that tread. Another hand cook. Look at that tread. Look at that tread. So it has matching tires. Has a little bit of surface rust starting to form. You know, I can take care of that. Knock it down. Take care of this rust up under here. Just knock it down. Some rust before paint over it. I'm not gonna be changing the doors. It's not worth it. But that's how then somebody hit it. The lawn care service must have hit it at work because this wasn't like this. So I got to find out why that bumper is pushed in right there. I know it wasn't pushed in when I bought it. That wasn't right there when I bought it. But who cares? These cars sit at my job for free. I don't have to Pay for them to sit. Gotta take this off. Repaint this arm. Probably paint to match the car. I know I gotta get another one of these if I don't got one already. Pop one off another car so that stay closed. Got some more surface rust here. Knock that up, sand it down. Knock that, sand it down. Same as in the door. Over there. Oh, this door barely want to open. Really, I don't see no surface rust down there. They're missing the handle on this side. Car smells pretty decent. The hubcap popping off. I ain't trying to make this video that long. Engine dusty. She has coolant right there. Brand new struts. So like I said, this car was well taken care of. I don't know if I'm going to get another bracket right there. I know I'm going to pull some of this out, knock some of this straight, make it match the other side. Frame rails are straight. I know that breather box in there look like it's crooked. Yeah, I'm going to have to get up in there, go to pick and pull and see. Because core support looks pretty decent. But got some buckling right there on the fender apron. And I do know how to change these core supports. But obviously it did take a hit down there from the animal. So what we're going to do is we're going to make it look presentable. Just like we did on the last video of the Hyundai Sonata. That took a hit, real bad hit. And we couldn't pull the frame out. But y'all probably want to hear this car run. Thing got 138,000 miles. There you go. Allstate Insurance Company. Pickup date 9/26/23. Claim number. Lost type front end. The sticker wearing off. It's been that long. Like I said, interior just dusty. Hate when those click like that. Interior gonna need to be some clean, detailed. But it doesn't stink in here. Even that works. So that's good. Don't gotta fix that. Usually I gotta fix those. See, pretty much good. The car look kind of decent. What else? Had an oil change sticker up there that I cannot read anymore. This I think it say 10/7/23, 141,000 miles. So yeah, that's one. Yep, it only got 141. So yeah, just had an oil change. The car has 138. Like I said, it does need to be cleaned out. That's it. I like the black interior. Doesn't look too shabby. Got some busted parts back there from the front end. So let me go grab a jump pack. Got some more like surface rust down there. They taped on a little tag right there. Have to grab a jump pack to start this up. So I'll be right back. All right. Got the jump pack hooked up. No-Co Boost Pro. GB150. Hooked up. Time to give her a start. So y'all can verify the mileage. Ugh. So we got a service, StabiliTrak. We got an ABS light. We got a engine light. The hood open light. Service traction control. Service StabiliTrak. Well, can't verify the mileage because the hood is open. The lights work. She's running good. pop spilled everywhere, whatever the stuff is. Radio. I get some tunes on here.
Visit pcstedu.org to enroll.
Radio work. Don't want to burn up my. So we got AC works. That was immediately. So so I will not be messing with the AC condenser. It has been pushed in a little bit. We're gonna pull it out, but I said AC works. It's ice cold. We know the heat gonna work. It's not up to temperature yet. We don't got no books. We do got a registration though. So now I know where they live at. Like the engine light is on for purge valve. We know that already. For the kicker, I think I still got one of these pads. Like I said, everything looks good. No sunroof though. So if I don't have another purge valve in the garage, I'm about to order one. It's like 27 bucks off Amazon for a Bosch. Can open the trunk. So they put all this stuff in the bag. Got some masks, gum, hand sanitizer, oatmeal crumbles, that all the Mentos. We got a spare tire. Yes, spare tires in there. Check the back door. Minimum surface rust. That's good. I say everything looks to be good to me. I said a little surface rust right there. Look, 100 pieces of the car still inside the car. Got a couple of leaves. But like I said, let's make sure the windows work. Oh, but ooh, that. I need a. That's one I got an inner fender. So I had to get me an inner fender liner. Clean out all that. Get that nice and sealed. So y'all know I done repaired a lot of those on these cars before. And I do not want to do another one. So I guess I'll be shooting a pick and pull in the morning. Before we start on taking all this stuff apart. Oops. So I could get another core support, but I'm not. We're gonna just try to pull it on out best we can. See how far it is. I can always hook it up to my truck and put my little clamp on there and pull it out. Ain't no biggie. That's why I said I gotta get me a frame machine. But she had an oil change. She seems to run good. I don't know, is it me or well, this engine like it's might just be me. I had to get up under it and look like it's lopsided. Like it's sloping that way. Could be just be me. Everything looks good under there. Took a hit on that side. And I did drive her, so ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's see if all these windows work before we say our goodbyes. Because I don't got time for this. Important window works. Less important window works. Oop, that window works. And that window works. Headliner is clean to the mother. Boy. And if you don't know, now you know. I don't be trying to sell these cars for a lot of money. I'm trying to get like $2,500 out this car. As I paid $1144.10, then all the parts for this car I already got. Then the paint, I just picked up the paint. That was $180 for a half a gallon of paint because I'm gonna do some of this, try to cover up some of this rust, but not painting over the rust, but do rust repair, grind it down, a little bit of body filler, primer, then paint. And like I said, these I gotta get a, I don't know if you need, I'm about to get a hood strut. I think that was like 20-something bucks for 2 of them. Go order one. That should be here anytime soon. Now I'll see about all these other parts I might need. But like I said, like I live down the street from Pick and Pull, so that's no biggie. Pay $2 to get in, get the parts I need, and get it and get on out. But I'm gonna have fun cleaning this one. I had fun with the black one too. Well, both the black ones, the black Pontiac Torrent and the black Equinox. We're gonna cut her on off. Cause she does run, makes she smells good. She got this air freshener up in here. This little bee air freshener. Oh, and not to mention, got some right there. So the headlight gotta come off, the front bumper gotta come off anyway. To get all that anyway. I didn't see that. So I knocked that little dent out. We're gonna knock that little dent out down there while we at it. So this whole car is gonna get another facelift. A whole facelift from Easy's Rebuilds. So I hope this video ain't that long, because the burn reverse still sitting there, the parts reverse still sitting there. I was about to start ripping the motor out of the parts reverse and get all stripped down, but people steady coming over. People steady somehow they're gonna drop their car off, and I gotta make a video for y'all. Oh yeah, I have nothing to watch, so we're gonna jump on the Pontiac Torrent until we can get, well, until I finish it, because like I said, I wouldn't be jumping on this if somebody didn't want it. That's how it is. Money talks, BS walks. So we're gonna leave it at that. Just another day over at Easy's Rebuilds. I'm about to get out of here. It's gonna rain. So I'm really getting tired of GoPro and these batteries overheating and cutting off. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you would. Share this video with your friends, family, and co-workers. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy's Rebuilds. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever we release a new video. We have merch like this at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations. We take donations of cars locally. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X. And with all that, people, stay tuned and stay blessed.